Do you know where the Glory to God or Gloria prayer comes from? The origin of the Gloria is from Luke chapter 2 verse 14, where the angels sang this song after Jesus was born. Remember when the angels appeared to the shepherds during Christmas and they said, "Glory to God in the highest, and on earth peace to people of good will." So when we sing or say the Gloria, we echo the proclamation of the angels at the birth of Jesus. The Gloria brings us to the praise and thanksgiving of God at the beginning of our worship, to be mindful of God's greatness and to live with gratitude.